locations related to the military can be found all over the earth, even with just a quick search online. But there are some of these spots that are still a little mysterious. They're hidden behind tall fences with barbed wire or even deeper underground. But why are they kept hidden and guarded so closely? In this video, we're off to discover another mysterious spot called Raven Rock Mountain Complex, also known as the Underground Pentagon. We'll check out its structure, what it can do, and why it's there. Tucked away in the farmlands of Pennsylvania near the Maryland state line lies the Raven Rock Mountain Complex, also known as the Underground Pentagon. This underground bunker was constructed in the 1950s as a relocation site for the Pentagon in case of a catastrophic emergency. The site saw emergency use only once, when Dick Cheney was evacuated to the site on September 11, 2001. Raven Rock Mountain Complex boasts its own power plant, underground reservoirs, and food reserves. It is rumored to house hundreds of people and could hold thousands in the event of an emergency. Amazingly, this location can be compared to a small city, equipped with its own fire department, medical facilities, and police department, each with individual buildings within the massive area. The history of Raven Rock is fascinating. This complex was built during the 1950s amid the Cold War with the Soviet Union. This location was designed to protect US military and government leaders in case of a major catastrophe or attack. Raven Rock was one of the top secret projects of that era, and its existence was kept hidden from the public for many years. There are several intriguing facts about this secretive place that many people are unaware of. For instance, Raven Rock features small restaurants, gyms, and even a movie theater. Additionally, there are rumors that this location might house classified documents, military strategies, and even nuclear weapons. Some corridors and rooms within this location have remained almost unchanged for the last half-century. Despite the difficulty in obtaining information about Raven Rock Mountain Complex's existence and its internal system, it undoubtedly plays a crucial role in America's military power and security. Many are curious about what lies within this location, yet fully uncovering its secrets remains nearly impossible. Raven Rock Mountain Complex, one of these clandestine locations, plays a pivotal role in America's military power and security. While we may not know the full extent of these sites' characteristics, their very existence is unquestionably fascinating to all. If I informed you that one of the world's most renowned and popular beverages happens to possess a secret that has remained undiscovered by anyone ever? The Coca-Cola recipe, concealed in obscurity for over a century at this very moment. Is it genuinely as enigmatic and classified as they assert it to be? The history of Coca-Cola begins in 1886, when a pharmacist named John Pemberton, inspired by a beverage his mother used to consume, began experimenting with various ingredients to create a new drink. It was during these endeavors that he discovered a unique concoction that became the secret recipe that has kept Coca-Cola at the forefront for over a century. Let's delve deeper into the captivating tale of Coca-Cola's enigmatic formula and unveil the truth hidden behind this age-old enigma. The secret recipe of Coca-Cola isn't merely a myth. In truth, it is a meticulously guarded formula known exclusively by a relatively small number of individuals. Moreover, it is believed that this highly exclusive recipe is actually locked away in a secured vault situated within the walls of the SunTrust Bank, located right in the heart of Atlanta, Georgia. However, how does the company guarantee the secrecy of its recipe? According In 1867, the United States made an unprecedented purchase of one of the most prized territories in the world for a mere $7.2 million. At the time, many people deemed this deal as utterly foolish. However, beneath the surface lay a myriad of secret elements that made this acquisition all the more significant and peculiar. For the Russian Empire, Alaska was a significant source of concern. The vast, remote land was incredibly difficult to manage and was located far from numerous significant trade routes. The looming potential threat of conflict with the British Empire only made Alaska's situation seem even more hazardous. Russian leaders recognized that the best course of action was to sell Alaska off to ensure their long-term stability and prosperity. U.S. Secretary of State William H. Seward believed strongly in purchasing Alaska. He saw its strategic potential. However, many Americans mocked the deal, calling it Seward's folly. To them, it seemed like a useless, frozen wasteland. What Russia was oblivious to was the staggering wealth hidden beneath Alaska's surface. In the late 19th century, a sudden fortune was discovered, igniting one of the most enormous gold rushes in human history. As time went by, yet more vast reserves of oil and other valuable natural resources were unearthed, rendering Alaska one of the most prosperous and incredibly rich territories in the entirety of the United States. It is widely believed that the agreement went beyond mere economics. Russia also had significant political objectives at play. Strengthening connections with the United States and opposing the dominant British Empire were indeed primary goals for the Russian leadership. Today, Alaska holds immense significance as a crucial component of the United States, beyond its rich natural resources, particularly its strategic location. Serving as military bases, establishing energy industries, and attracting significant tourism all play a vital role in augmenting its importance. An incredible sum of $7.2 million. No, not only one of the most significant deals ever known, but also a truly astonishing blunders for Russia. What opinion do you have about this deal? Was it indeed a foolish decision, or was it a brilliant, groundbreaking move? Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below.